Hi, welcome to SolidWorks tutorial lecture number 9. Here we are going to see about the trim entities. To explain the trim entities, I am going to draw a number of lines here. I have a number of lines like this. These are crossing one over another. Now move for trim entities. There are 5 types of trim is there: power trim, corner trim, trim away inside, trim away outside, trim closer to. That we see one by one. First of all, power trim, just you click your left click and draw a line which one you don't want. We need to draw a line on unwanted line. We can trim the line. This is called power trim. Next, let me move on to the corner trim. You just go for corner trim. See, I'm going to trim this line. You select these two lines. The corner line will be trimmed. This is the use of corner trim. Let me see in detail now. Just draw a line like this. See, number of lines is crossing one over another. I'm going for the corner trim. See, out of this corner I want to trim. Just select that two line. The remaining corner line will be deleted. See, we can trim remaining lines. Suppose I am selecting these two line. The corner line will be trimmed. Next, let me see trim away inside. These two are the cutting edges. Now see, I am going to trim away. First you select the cutting edges, then you select the line in between the cutting edges, that will be trimmed off. The extension will be remain same. The lines will be in between the cutting edges only will be trimmed. See, now trim away outside. Such a way I am selecting the same procedure, cutting edges. Now I am selecting the center line. See, out of the cutting edges will be trimmed off. This is the use of trim away outside. Next, let me see the trim to closet. Just you select the unwanted lines. That is the use of trim to closet. The difference between power trim and trim closet: in power trim, you want to draw a line on the unwanted line. In closet, just you select the unwanted line. Next, extend entities. See, if I want to extend this line up to this, just you select the end of that line. That will be extended up to the next restriction. This will be very useful for sketch drawing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.